Hello everybody, and thank you very much for the 10,000 subscribers. Just passed that threshold this week. 10,005 as it stands. As some of you might know already, I haven't been very active on this channel the last year or two. Just only put out about 4 videos this year, I think. Been through a few changes, been concentrating on some other channels. I didn't want to spread myself too thin, but we will get back into this channel at some point. So like I say, thank you very much. This is just like a quick thank you video. As you can see, we've got a video going there with Tills. That's just the garden with some clips of some older stuff that we did on the channel. But anyway, yeah, you got the main picture there is well, and the picture on the left hand side there. I've been working on the garden, been doing all kinds of stuff, and that was last June. I wanted to get a shot of me foxgloves, which I put a video up. You'll see some footage of the foxgloves coming up. I just get excited about the foxgloves because I planted them last year or the year before, I can't remember now. Anyway, they flowered up this year and it was fantastic. Got some tomato plants there. So anyway, hello to everybody. You see a little recap on stuff we have done on the channel in the bottom right hand corner there. So in June it was 25 degrees Celsius. You can see the Fahrenheit there as well. I can't remember what the conversion is, but not that hot, but the humidity made it feel really, really hot. And of course it gets quite humid over here in the UK, so that makes you sweat. There's the old gargoyle. When did I do that? That was 2017, I think. Seems like yesterday, but that's 6 years ago now. So here's Tilly lounging about in the garden. But yeah, you'll see a few statues there. I'm going to put some moulds on eBay shortly. I'm just sorting through those. Had some interest in real life, so somebody might buy up at least half the moulds, or maybe all of them. I don't know yet. So I've got to sort those out. I'm going to do some casting before I do sell them, just to test a couple out that I haven't actually used. And do a few casts. I will be making moulds again sometime, I don't know when. This channel will be sort of like, we will be doing some moulds, casting, blah 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 blah, but there'll be other sort of DIY garden stuff on this channel as well. Anything that's appropriate for this channel. I had to split up my channels. That's why it hasn't been so active on this channel to you know, keep everything in its place, if you like. If I had my way, I'd like to just put everything on the same channel, but it sort of goes from one thing to the other. Video games to music to guitar and model making. So I've taken the model making off of here and put that on its own separate channel. So there we are. There's Tills. You see some moulds stacked up. There's my lovely foxgloves there, which you probably saw in the video. Yes, everything's going a bit quick. I'll class as a little vlog. I'll put this down as vlog number 2. I think we're on number 2 now. And I'll do some more vlogs as and when something appropriate for this channel pops up. So there we are. Anyway, thanks again for the 10,000 subs. Very, very much appreciated. I didn't think I'd ever get 10,000 subs, so I just reached that threshold, like I say now. And I'm over the moon, so thank you very much. The channel still gets views on the existing videos that are on the channel. Perhaps I should remake some of them, because some of the older ones look like they could do with a remake, to go into more detail, refine them a little bit. Anyway, there we are. There we go. Thank you very much, and we'll see you shortly. Have a great week, have a great month, and have a great year. So we're halfway through the year at the minute. 24th of July 2023 today. So hopefully see you soon. Take care, folks, and thank you very much. Bye for now.